Master Aggregate for IELTS. Boost your vocabulary score. Boost your IELTS vocabulary score with this powerful word, aggregate. Understanding and using this term correctly can help you achieve that coveted 6.5 band score or higher. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and how to incorporate it into your language skills. Word type. Aggregate can function as a noun, verb, or adjective, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. Meaning. As a noun, aggregate refers to a total amount or sum formed by smaller amounts that are collected together. As a verb, it means to gather or collect into a mass or whole. When used as an adjective, it describes something formed or calculated by combining several separate elements. Word history. The word aggregate comes from Latin. It's derived from the verb aggregare, which means to add to. This Latin word is formed from add, meaning to, and gregare, meaning to collect into a flock. Antonyms. Some antonyms for aggregate include separate, divide, and individual. Synonyms. Synonyms for aggregate include total, sum, whole, combined, and collective. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use aggregate in different contexts. As a noun, the aggregate of his debts exceeded his annual income. As a verb, a company will aggregate the sales data from all its branches. As an adjective, the aggregate score of the team was enough to win the championship. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing aggregate with average. While aggregate refers to a total sum, average is the typical or central value in a set of numbers. For example, the aggregate sales for the year were $1 million is correct, but the aggregate sales for the year were $50,000 per month is incorrect. This would be the average. To wrap up, mastering the word aggregate can significantly enhance your IELTS performance. Remember, it can be a noun, verb, or adjective, referring to a total sum or the act of combining. Practice using it in your speaking and writing tasks, and you'll be well on your way to achieving that 6.5 band score or higher. Keep expanding your vocabulary and watch your language skills soar.